Well, welcome back to my shop. In last time's episode, we organized and set up this whole shelf. But the other side of the garage needs a little bit of love because I want to clear out most of this. But we need to make room. And I was thinking, hey, look at all that free real estate up there. So let's set up some shelves. And I think my collecting came in handy today because we might have just what we need in here. Look at all those brackets. And this is exactly why I need to do it, because I have so many incomplete sets and I can't even do this project because I want to set up 2 shelves. But heck, let's just do it. And who knows, maybe we'll find it in the cleaning process. And I'm thinking of just going right above the workbench here first. And to do that, I actually have a new tool that Sigmund sent me that I want to try out. It's a little level here, but it has a lot of different functions. So let's see actually with this laser how tall it is from here to the ceiling to get an idea. So if we click measure, so it's about 6.5 feet-ish. And behind here I have some perfect boards that I think would make great shelves, and I have 3 of them. Now if we want to see how long this board is, I'm guessing it's probably a 4-foot board. This thing does it all as well. It's a tape measure. So let's go, what does it function? I think tape measure, set it down, and let it measure to the end of the board with this laser. Yeah, there you go, 48 inches. Okay, so 4 foot by a foot. This little oil filter has come in handy as a parts holder. I made a video on how to make one if you want to check it out. Look at that custom work. And you know, I'm not going to put too much weight on this, so that's why I'm fine just doing the 2 brackets. It's also going to be going into studs, so you know, with that in mind, and also I'm only going to be putting some probably display items and maybe a few cases up there because it's going to be so high. I'm not honestly worried about the weight capacity. Sorry about the lighting, but that's probably going to be the next thing we work on. Now we can level this off. It's actually pretty good. Right about more. I like it. Now we have more room for more crap. And I think we just raise up this lighting to see if that helps illuminate the shelf a little bit better. I don't know if that's perfect, but honestly, I don't know if I want to go too much higher because I want to keep the shop illuminated, but I like that difference so far. So what's the plan? Well, one of the things that I want to display is my dad's Craftsman toolbox. I love this thing, lots of memories, but right now it's actually holding these brushes. And I like that, but obviously I want access to them. So I actually did come across another Craftsman toolbox that I'm going to use to store those brushes and some other welding tools. By the way, I finally used my welder for the first time in a year or a year plus. So that video will be coming out soon. So if you want to see what somebody who has no idea how to weld can do, check that video out, coming out soon. I also came across these old antique coffee cans, which, I don't know, I think are kind of cool to display. So those will also go up there. And when I picked up all that free antique hardware, I got this, I believe it's a welding gauge and regulator. Needs a little love. I don't know if I'd actually ever use it, but I thought that might be also cool to display up there. I figured I'd throw up this little engine analyzer that I picked up a while back. It's just been sitting around, so why not display it until I figure out what else to do with it. Well, I'm calling that a win. Lights are better. I finally did something with those wires up there so it doesn't look as terrible. It's not hanging down, but I actually like the lights up that high. Well, thanks for hanging out with me here in the shop on this weekend project. And thanks to Sigmund for supporting the video. Tools and products will be linked below. And hey, until the next time, thanks for watching.